So a video hint for assigning oxidation numbers to all these guys. So let's have a look at the first one and a couple other ones here. So to assign oxidation numbers here, you need to go back to your rules. Now your rules are oxygen equals -2. Sorry, I should go in order, shouldn't I? Not oxygen equals -2. Elements equals 0. Ions equal the charge. Then oxygen equals -2, and hydrogen equals +1. Alrighty, so let's assign this information to this situation here. Oxygen here is going to be -2 because it's in a compound. It's not an element. Okay, so each oxygen here is -2. What that means is 2 of these is -4. The carbon, therefore, must be +4 because it has to add up to overall 0 charge. So again, oxygen's -2 because that's our rule. There's 2 of them, which makes -4. That means the carbon must be +4 because it has to balance out. So hopefully that makes sense for the first one. Let's have a look down at this guy here. This example here, which is Dinitrogen Tetroxide. By definition, our rule says oxygen is -2. Okay, oxygen's -2. What does that mean in our compound? Well, overall, we've got 4 oxygens. That's -8. That means these nitrogens must be +8. Now, there's 2 of them, which means individually they must be +4. So therefore, we end up with our oxidation numbers of oxygen -2 and nitrogen +4. If you didn't understand that, reverse it for 2 seconds, just so you can hear me explain it again. Now let's go down here to lithium. Lithium here is an ion, okay? Elements are 0, yes, but this is not an element. This has got a charge. So lithium is an ion, so therefore lithium here must be +1. Okay, I'm going to do one more for you, and then we'll move on, and you'll be able to do the rest of them yourself. Let's look at permanganate here. Okay, again, we're going to go through this and look at the fact that elements are 0, blah, 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 blah. Oxygen here is -2. I've got 4 of them. That makes -8. So overall, I've got -8. Now, I need to add up to -1 now. It's not neutral. So therefore, my manganese here must be +7. So therefore, if you look at this again, oxygen is -2. 4 of them makes -8. I have to get back up to -1, so I need to add more 7 to it because so therefore my manganese here is +7. Do the rest of them, check your answers, and if you have any questions, let me know.